If you need to print an envelope in Word, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. Whether you're sending out a letter, an invitation, or an important business envelope, Word makes it simple to add the address, check the printer setup, and print it correctly without guessing. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Mailings tab. This is where Word keeps all of its mailing tools, including labels and envelopes. In the Create group, click Envelopes. This opens the envelope window where you can begin setting everything up. At the top, you'll see the delivery address field. Type the address you want printed on the front of the envelope. Make sure the name, street, city, state, and zip code are all entered correctly. Below that, you'll also see a return address field. If you want your own address printed in the upper left corner of the envelope, type it here as well. If you do not want a return address, you can leave that field blank. Before you print, it's a good idea to double check the formatting of both addresses. Make sure the text is easy to read, properly spaced, and free from spelling mistakes. This is especially important if you're printing envelopes for a business, event, or formal mailing. A small error here can cause delays or make the envelope look unprofessional. Now the next step is very important. Check how your printer wants the envelope fed into it. In the envelope window, click Options and then go to the Printing Options tab. Here, Word shows you a diagram that explains the correct feed method for your printer. This may tell you to place the envelope face up, face down, centered, or shifted to one side. Every printer can be a little different, so don't skip this step. If you put the envelope in the wrong way, the address may print upside down, on the wrong side, or not line up at all. So take a moment to match the diagram in Word with the actual paper tray on your printer. If needed, test with a blank envelope or plain paper first so you can be confident before printing the final copy. Once your addresses are entered and the feed method is confirmed, you're ready to print. Go back to the main envelope window and choose Print. Word will send the envelope to your printer using the settings you selected. If you want to save the envelope setup instead of printing right away, you can also choose to add it into your document or keep it ready for later use, depending on your version of Word. After printing, check the finished envelope to make sure the text looks aligned and clear. If everything looks right, you're done. If not, go back into the envelope settings, adjust the placement or printer options, and try again. A quick test print can save you a lot of time and wasted envelopes, and that's how to print an envelope in Word. It's fast, simple, and once you know where the Mailings tab and envelope tool are, the rest is easy. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more step-by-step Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.